Hi, this is John with WTI, and I gotta be moving storage from one place to another. And my phone used to get full all the time by all the video recording and all the pictures, and that most of my files are big and heavy. So what I did is that I found a solution for this. This is the SanDisk 128 gigs of storage that I can move from different places to another. I move this to my computer. I move this from my phone using an adapter. And the best thing out of this is the charge and speed for the files. You're not going to be waiting all day for your files to be moving from one place to another. Easy to move, easy to use all the time. And plus the 128 gigs is going to give you enough space to move all of your heavy storage, heavy videos, 4K, 2K, or 1080p that you have to move from your laptop or to your phone. So if you're looking for a great storage, this one from SanDisk, reliable. It is going to be so reliable that you're not going to lost any one of your files. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.